So we were doing some Botox. We were trying to squeeze your brows for me. So we don't necessarily want to get rid of these lines. We would like for her brow to come up a little bit. Gives you a little more space to put your eye makeup, makes you feel younger. Because tell them what's bugging you the most.
My frown faces.
That frown face. So we're just going to do a little to kind of lift this up. And then we're going to, the other thing is these lines are starting to bug her. And hers aren't bad. Everybody's got some. We don't want it to be where she doesn't have any. But we want it to be a little bit softer. And Volbella is perfect for that. And it can, it's great. And Volbella's instant. So let's do, squeeze your brows for me. So I'm going to go right in this muscle. And this is the one that will actually lift your brows just a little bit. And you don't have to do it all. If you want to have a little bit of movement, you can do just the part to give your brows a lift. Did that hurt?
No.
Everybody's scared of it hurting. I've been scared of things hurting. Usually not
I'm
things.
scared of this.
Not things that make me look better. I'm good at that. It's a good thing. She has a new baby. Been breastfeeding. Just stopped. It can make you feel exhausted. And look exhausted. And even if we want to, nobody wants to look tired. And I don't know why women do it. Are you tired? Are you tired? I bet you're so tired.
Always.
But men don't do that to each other. I guess they have other things on their minds.
They don't get tired.
Mm-mm. Hopefully they'll get something someday. Oh. Love. Get you every time. At least you know we're honest around here, huh? Okay.
That's because babies don't wake them up.
Yeah, probably. Okay. So I'm not wanting to get rid of this. I'm wanting to soften it. Little stick. Does that hurt?
Just a teeny.
And I'm going to kind of feather it. She's had some numbing cream on. And I'm going to get this little line right there. And then, you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now when she smiles, it looks a little different. So I want to do a little bit right there. And that's an instant thing. So I have all the pretty mirrors in this place. This is the only one I can see from my video.
Oh,
how does that look? Can't you see how? And it's a little bit red, but it's instant. And so you can put your makeup on immediately. And it lasts a year.
Oh,
But
wow.
Bella is a really pretty filler. It's very elegant. It doesn't, it's light. So you don't, sometimes you can make worse mistakes, or people that don't do a lot of injectables can make it look worse with an injectable than with anything. When they start putting it out here or on higher on the lip, it makes shadows and can make you smile funny because it's volume. When you add volume, it can interfere with the little muscles.
Does it go down here too, or no?
I can put a little bit. Let me get this part. This one's a little bit worse, y'all. It really is how we sleep.
Oh, I always sleep on my left side.
Yeah, this side's worse.
And then that side's in the sun too.
Yeah.
Does that make a difference?
Yeah, the sun always makes a difference. Sure does feel good, doesn't it? So I'm crinkling just to see right where she needs it. I'm just going to put a little bit right there to clean that up. That looks really good. So I'm going to do a little bit in this corner too. See if you can tell, is that where you know it?
Yeah, it's like where
I did it on that, and I did a little bit there just to give that a little bit of a lift.
Okay.
Give it a little lift. So it is, there's a lot of talk to sleeping right. Sleeping on your back. I don't know if anybody can do that. I can't.
Me neither.
I got my eyelash, all kinds of reasons to sleep on my back. Open your mouth for me. But I can't do it. That looks really good. It's perfect.
Thank you.
You can put on your makeup and do whatever you want. The Botox takes a few days to kick in, and it'll normally be that you're putting your eye makeup on and you just notice you look a little bit brighter and a little bit more ready. Okay.
Thank you. Do you want my